Good afternoon. For the first time since her husband was convicted, Cynthia Varela-Casals was in court today, this time to see if she's competent to stand trial for the beating death of her 9-year-old son, Omari. News 13's Madeline Schmidt is here with what happened today. Madeline.
Well, Kim, Varela-Casals' attorneys argue Omari's mother isn't fit to go to trial. The judge said today that decision will have to wait until November. He scheduled a hearing so that both sides can present their arguments. Varela-Casals faces charges of intentional child abuse resulting in death, a charge that carries a life sentence. She's accused of killing her son Omari by beating him to death in December 2013. Just last week, her husband Stephen was convicted of negligent child abuse, indicating jurors thought he didn't actually kill Omari, but didn't stop it. A big piece of evidence used in his trial was this admission by Cynthia shortly after her arrest.
It was an accident. I was disciplining him and I kicked him the wrong way. It was an accident.
But since this statement, Cynthia has claimed that she just said that to cover for her husband. That's something jurors will weigh if this case ever goes to trial. A defendant like Cynthia Varela-Casals has to understand the charges against them and assist in their own defense to be considered mentally competent to stand trial. At the hearing in November, the state and defense will both present expert testimony from doctors who've evaluated Varela-Casals after her arrest. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Madeline. Now, if Varela-Casals is found incompetent, she's not necessarily off the hook. A judge could have her committed to a mental health facility until she becomes competent to stand trial.